So today I'm unboxing the Supra ZR II. It's like the cordless, it's supposed to be like the cordless Oster, the 76s or something, but way better. You know, you see what it says, best for high volume hair cutting on all hair types. So I got it, and we're gonna go ahead and cut through this and see what all it does. Stay tuned. See what it comes with. It says it comes with a charger stand, an adapter, some oil, 000 blade. Just one of the little rough drafts. Let's see what we do with this real quick. Make it official. Box seems like it's pretty sturdy, pretty good. Zip it on up out of here. So it's double boxed. Case pretty nice. You know. Oh, it has all the regular stuff. Let's see what this is. Just let you know about the authentic Andis gear. If you want to be Andis'd up, you know what I mean, running around with the hand holder for the back of your phone, spritzer, the beanie, body, all this stuff. Y'all might want to go check out gear.andis.com. Yeah, check that out for that little stuff right there. Anyway, we already know about the little stuff. Tell you how to use it to the good stuff. Okay, everything is right, individually wrapped. I purchased this at the Long Beach Ice Show, and it seemed, you know, I know a couple of people that's had it, and I've been wanting it. You know, online I think it's like $315 or something like that. It's about what I paid. Let's see. Get this little Kinta stuff up out of here real quick. The little Black Hawks. It's a little regular stand. This is a charger. Ooh. I like the way this feels already. We're just gonna go ahead and let that drop right on where it's supposed to go to. As you can see, don't turn on till clipper is fully charged. Some instructions that tell you. Power switch. Speed switch to where you can turn up the power on that piece. And the back has a little charger. 3 pieces. I don't know if it's something in there, but there you go. Should fall right on in there. I'll let you guys know what I think about it when I get done. It also comes with the extra blade drive assembly, you know, it's in here, this little thing right here. So, you know, it might not be your blades, if it's not cutting right, your blades can still be sharper. You know, feel like they might be dull, you might need to change out your blade assembly, your drive assembly. All right.